In the last video, we understood what a single candle means. But one candle alone doesn't tell the full story. To understand the market, we need to look at what happens when candles combine. A single candle shows a small part of a price movement, but when multiple candles come together, they start forming a bigger picture. And this is where most beginners start getting confused because price never moves in a straight line. So price doesn't just go up or just go down. It moves in steps. It goes up, then pulls back, then moves again. This repeated up and down movement is called an wave. And these waves are not made by one candle. They are created by multiple candles combined together. So instead of focusing on individual candles, we now start focusing on the overall movement. Every wave has two simple parts, the move and the pullback. Now imagine, price moves up and creates a new high point. Then it pulls back, but not too much. And then it moves up again, even higher than the previous high. Now this shows a strength. This is called a higher high and a higher low. Now exactly opposite. When price tries to go up but fails, then it drops lower than the previous lows. It tries again, but still cannot go higher, and then it falls even more. So this shows weakness, and this is what we called an lower high and lower low. So now when these patterns keep repeating, these waves turns into the trends. And in the next video, we will understand exactly how to recognize those trends clearly.